Lord Buddha gave the teachings 2,500 years ago approximately. He set it in motion. He spoke 84,000 volumes. And during that time, he had many, many attained students. Many, many attained disciples. Arhats, etc. Like Shariputra, Mugdalaya, etc. And they had achieved perfect memory. Perfect memory. Where they can recite verbatim everything Buddha had taught. Perfection of memory. And there are people like that today who have photographic memory. So it's nothing unusual. It's something you can develop. So what happens is, it was only 500 years later, after Lord Buddha's parinirvana or death, that the disintegration or the lessening of people with perfect memory practice were becoming less and less and less. They were becoming less, people with perfect memory. And so what happened was, they had a council, they had a meeting, they decided to record down all of Buddha's holy teachings. And those teachings were recorded in a great council of great arhats and masters and living great holders of the lineage of the Lord Buddha at that time, 500 years after Lord Buddha passed away. And they recorded teachings, and the teachings were recorded down, and they're called the kangyur, the spoken words of the Buddha.